Hey guys, this is Mary with This Girl's Vinyl Shop, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to use the gallery inside our builder. So you're going to want to go to Direct to Film Printing, select Builder, and here go ahead and start with the 22 by 12 and then click on Build Your Own Gang Sheet. Here on this page, you're going to do start a brand new gang sheet. Here on the left-hand side, you're going to find where it says From Gallery. Go ahead and click on that. Here on this page, select the category that you want to use. We do have multiple categories you can choose from. Since Halloween is around the corner, let's go ahead and select Halloween. We do have multiple pages of Halloween designs that you can choose from. Once you find something that you like, go ahead and add it to the builder. For this instance, we're going to go ahead and use this guy here. Once it's here on your builder, go ahead and click on the design again. Once it's added here to your artboard, you want to go ahead and size it to the size that you need. For this instance, I'm going to do 10 inches wide. Now, once you're on here, you notice that the sheet's very small and you want to make it bigger. Here on the left-hand side, there is a tab. You can select a different size sheet that you need. For this video, we're going to go ahead and do a 22 by 36. Now, let's say you want to do multiple designs of this image. Go ahead and click duplicate to add a few more of the same size. If you want to continue adding more designs from the gallery, go back to gallery and select a different design. Click on it again and just size to whatever size you need. And once you're on here, you're not limited as far as only using what's in the gallery. You can go ahead and upload your own designs and start adding them also to the gang sheet. Hopefully this video is helpful. And if you have any more questions, you can always reach out to us. Once all this is done, just click Save and Add to Cart and you're done. Have a nice day, guys.